Okay, Jet Techers, welcome back. In today's video, let's learn how to replace the Digitizer on an iPad Air 2. If your screen is cracked, this video is for you. So let's get started.
Step 1. The tools you will need is a heating pad, plastic picks, tiny screwdrivers, small suction cups, tweezers, and a new digitizer. Step 2. Remove the broken digitizer. First, turn off the iPad. Then warm up the edges with your heat pad. This helps loosen the sticky glue holding the screen down. Now I'm going to turn on the heating pad and put it on tablet mode. FYI, you cannot leave this on for more than 3 minutes. So, just to be safe, you might want to set a timer. Use a suction cup to gently pull up the screen. Then slide a plastic pick around the edges. Be careful, don't rush. Now, remove the tiny screws holding the metal plate. Now, get your handy dandy pry tool and remove the cables. Make sure to remove them gently. Just like that. Now, let's reverse the process. Now, let's connect the cables. I've already done 2, so let's do the 3rd one. Put the screws back in the metal plate. Now, let's close the tablet up. Now, let's power on the tablet. Very successful, it works.
iPad Digitizer was successful. Before and after. Do you see the difference? If you do, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more videos. See you next time. Bye.